Hey, Space Up Explorers. Welcome back. Today, we're diving headfirst into one of the universe's most mind-bending and honestly terrifying places, the black hole. You've definitely heard the rumors, seen the sci-fi movies, but what really goes down if you were to somehow tumble into one? Would you be crushed, stretched, or just vanish? Let's find out. First off, a black hole isn't some cosmic vacuum cleaner. It is a region of space where gravity is so ridiculously intense that absolutely nothing, not even light itself, can escape. That's why we can't see them directly. They're just dark. We only know they're there because of the wild effects they have on everything around them, like warping light from distant stars or superheating gas clouds. So, how do these cosmic monsters form? Imagine a truly massive star, way bigger than our sun, running out of fuel. When it dies, it collapses inward under its own immense gravity. The core shrinks down, getting denser and denser until it becomes what scientists call a singularity. Basically, a point of infinite density and zero volume. That's the heart of the black hole. And surrounding it? The event horizon, the ultimate one-way gate. Cross that line and congratulations, you've just bought a ticket to oblivion. Now picture this. You're floating in space, staring at a black hole. From a distance, it might even look beautiful. A dark circle framed by this mesmerizing glowing halo. That glow is actually superheated gas and dust called an accretion disk, spiraling into the black hole at incredible speeds. Temperatures there can hit millions of degrees, hot enough to melt your imagination. As you start to drift closer, things get weird, fast. The light from distant stars begins to warp and twist around the black hole. Space itself bends because the black hole's gravity is literally contorting everything, even the fabric of time. At first, you wouldn't feel much. In the emptiness of space, there's no air, no resistance, no sudden jolt. But the closer you get, the stranger it becomes. Your body starts to stretch. Seriously. The black hole's gravity pulls harder on your feet than on your head, and this difference just keeps increasing. Scientists call this spaghettification, and while the name sounds funny, the reality is deadly. If you were falling feet first, you'd be stretched thinner and thinner like a noodle as you race towards that singularity. Ouch. But here's another mind blower. If someone were watching you from a safe distance, they'd never actually see you fall in. You'd appear to freeze right at the edge of the event horizon, your image slowly fading and turning reddish as light struggles to escape. To them, time for you would essentially stop. But for you, you'd keep falling, time ticking away normally, utterly unaware of how strange you look to the outside universe. Once you cross that event horizon, it's goodbye universe. All signals, radio, light, your last desperate help me, vanish. You are now completely cut off. And inside, that's where physics as we know it takes a vacation. Gravity becomes so extreme that space and time literally swap roles. Falling forward in time now means falling deeper into the black hole. You can't stop, you can't turn around. Every single path leads you closer to that terrifying singularity. What happens at the singularity? Well, that's where the theories get wild. Some scientists believe you'd be instantly crushed, your atoms ripped apart, your very being compressed into oblivion. Others think quantum mechanics, those tiny forces that govern the subatomic world, might prevent total collapse. And then there's the wild card, the wormhole theory. Could black holes be secret passages, tunnels through space-time, perhaps sending you to another galaxy or even another universe? It's a tantalizing thought, but pure speculation for now. Of course, no one has ever seen inside a black hole, and no spacecraft would survive such a trip. But through science, we can imagine. The closer you get to the center, the more extreme everything gets. Light bends into impossible circles. Time slows down almost to a standstill. Some theories suggest you ID witness the entire future of the universe unfold before your eyes in mere seconds. Stars forming and dying, galaxies drifting apart, cosmic history flashing by. At the singularity itself, our understanding truly ends. It's a point where density becomes infinite, where physics completely breaks down. Einstein's relativity can't describe it. Quantum mechanics can't explain it. It is the ultimate boundary between what we know and what we simply can yet comprehend. Maybe the singularity isn't just a point, maybe it's a doorway, a connection, or even a new dimension waiting to be discovered. Black holes challenge everything we thought we knew about space and time. They remind us that the universe is far stranger, far more mysterious than our wildest dreams. Every black hole holds a secret, one that might one day reveal the very origins of creation itself. We study them using incredible tools like the Event Horizon Telescope, which famously captured the first ever image of a black hole S shadow in 2019. It proved these monsters are real and behave just as Einstein predicted. Even though we can't see inside, studying black holes helps us understand how galaxies form, how stars die, and maybe even how the universe began. Some scientists even speculate that our own universe could have started from something akin to a black hole, a singularity that exploded outwards in the Big Bang. If that's true, then falling into a black hole might not be an ending, but a new beginning. Imagine that for a moment. You fall in, everything fades to black, and suddenly on the other side, a new universe is born, vast, bright, and expanding. Perhaps our own reality began this way. It's a theory that links endings and beginnings in the most cosmic way possible. So, what truly happens if you fall into a black hole? The honest answer is, no one knows for sure. You'd either be instantly annihilated or transported somewhere completely new. It is both terrifying and incredibly beautiful. A powerful reminder of how mysterious the cosmos truly is. Black holes are the universe's greatest teachers. They show us our limits, but also our boundless potential to discover more. Maybe someday, with new technology or a revolutionary understanding of physics, we'll finally know what lies beyond the event horizon. Until then, we can only imagine and wonder. What do you think lies inside a black hole? Share your wildest theories in the comments below. If you love this cosmic journey, please hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible space facts, and share this video with all your fellow space explorers. Because out there, beyond the stars, lies everything we've yet to discover. This is Space Up, where curiosity has no limits. Thanks for watching.